Day, I'm going outside because it looks like a wonderful day to go out. And I'm gonna skip. Oh, we must be here. Oh my gosh! Look how much rain that is, guys! Look at how much rain there is! Oh my god! I see the light. I'm watching it. I'm right here. And I just changed, by the way. Don't judge me. I just woke up. See, that's where I live. What's going on? What's going on? Feels really cool out here. I don't know what's going on, guys, but it's cray. And I'm receiving a package on Thursday, so I'm gonna open that up for you guys. I would never miss it. It's raining, all right. Yeah, it's raining. I've been making 2 videos today. Look how much rain that is. But we got the light. Jingle, jingle bells, jingle bells. This is my phone, guys. So I'm gonna be cutting out this video I'm gonna wait up for like 3 days, and once those 3 days pass, I'm gonna open my package and show you guys what it is, because I have no idea what it is. My mom ordered it online and I have no idea what I'm getting. See ya! Bye!